Tell you what, even though this is an older computer, it really is amazing just how much they put in to developing this thing. But it actually has the liquid cooling for the CPU, it looks like. In its day, it was just a fast machine. So today I wanted to look at this G5 Apple computer. When this thing come out, man, it was just smoking. I mean, I wish I could have afforded one back then, but I couldn't. But I found this one on Facebook Marketplace. Someone who had bought out a storage unit had come across this thing, and it's dirty. It needs cleaning up. But when I got it home, actually it won't boot up. It's giving me the 3 beeps. The monitor won't come on, which I think the 3 beeps is a hardware issue. So, but I did try a different DVI to VGA adapter, because that's what they were using. I did actually have one, and got a different VGA cable. The monitor does work, I verified that, but I still can't get it to come on. So the first thing I tried while it was powered on, was to the SMU reset button. We did that, and we still come back up with the 3 beeps. I went ahead and replaced the battery, which I didn't think it really had anything to do with the BIOS. I believe it's actually a hardware issue. So the next step is to take out the memory. Well, the next step I think I'm going to do is take out the memory. These have the blue edge to them. I believe these were added at some point. Well, they actually called edge, but 1 gigabyte per stick, as well as these. So we'll try. We got one here and one here of crucial memory. That's also 1 gig. So the MSU reset didn't do it. The battery didn't do it. We're taking out 2 sticks out of the 4 memory. It should have been 4 gigabyte total. Now we're only going to have 2. We'll see what that does. Hey, the sound of success. That is a great sound. We should get something on the monitor here. It's powered on, see if it'll wake up. And it does. Now, this is an older computer, but I thought it was a pretty good find to just be at a cheap price on a Facebook Marketplace. And we do only have our 2 gigs of RAM, but well, I think I'll just try to find some more sticks of RAM. But if you have an older G5 by chance and it's giving you issues, maybe this video will help you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.